Today we'll be unboxing this speaker. If it's your first time on my YouTube channel, karibu nyumbani. If you are a returning subscriber, karibu tena. Let's dive into the video.
Critical.
About time we open and see how the speaker looks like. Already guys, let's open the carton. So this is the first time I'm looking at the speaker. Pia mimi sijaona hii speaker. The first thing that you get into the box, when you open the box guys, unapata hii menu. Now this is the guide. It's explaining to you how you operate the speaker, but the guide has a lot of languages. Got a language tofauti. Pia English for hapa. So let's put the guide aside. So what's the name of this cable guys? You will not tell us down in the comment section. I think it's jack to jack if I'm not wrong, and if I'm wrong, correct me down in the comment section. You got your, this is the type, it has a type C connector. This is charging, I think this is charging cable. Now let's get into the speaker itself. Let's put the box aside. Now the packaging is nice. These are the protectors. Yes. Guys, I already see the speaker. Mko oh guys. Nice, look how it looks. It looks nice, and it also feels nice. Look over shipping and feel pretty. Let's get this thing away. So these are the things that we're getting in the carton guys. We're getting a speaker. I call this jack to jack. I don't know the real name. It's jack to jack. Tell me down in the comment section if it's jack to jack. You're also getting your type C charging cable. So this is how the speaker looks like. So off on, I think this is where we plug the cable that I'm calling the jack to jack. You have hapa ndipo ile una connect your USB yes USB, then you put your memory card hapa juu. This is the charging mode. This is charging port. Hiyo inachargiwa na hiyo type C. Yeah, this one. Plug it here. Then this other side, una plug. I think you can power it even using your computers. Using this side. Alafu what else? This is the jack to jack. I think you plug it somewhere inside here. Yeah, that way. Powering it on and tuone kama itafunguka. So here already guys, I want to see if there is anything that is going to happen. This part, nikipower. is Bluetooth mode. Nice. Okay, let's try connecting it with my phone. See, it's blinking. I think inajaribu kutafuta the device so that I can connect. So that is Bluetooth. FM mode. Oh, sorry.
Bluetooth mode.
So it has Bluetooth and FM mode. Let's see if I can find it on my device and connect it to Bluetooth. Pairing. It's paired. Let's play something from YouTube and see and how the sound quality of the speaker is. I like how these new lights shine. Like unaona, they look different. This is blue, green, they keep on changing. So guys, are you ready to hear how the speaker sounds like? Let's press. With this speaker, it sounds amazing. I hope you can hear it. Like sauti yake tu iko tu sawa, like mi nimeipenda. I hope you can unaisikia venye mi naisikia hapa juu. Wow, sikuwa na expect itakuwa inatoa sauti tamu hivyo, like sauti yake iko tu sawa. And kitu ingine imenifurahisha na hii speaker ni this LED lights, like kuna hizi lights zenye zinakaa zikichange hapa. Zimeni nice tu sana. Alafu this is metallic. This part, it's metallic. Alafu the plastic is of high quality. And pia venye umepanga hizi button zao hapa, it looks nice. I'm in love with it. Like imenifurahisha tu sana. Inatoshea kwa mkono, unaweza ibeba pia uende ukisikiza kwa barabara. It's a good speaker. I can't complain about it. It's amazing. Too sour. I'm in love with the size and the color. So tell me down in the comment section, guys, what do you think? What do you think about the speaker? The sound imekufurahisha? The color? How the build it is built? Tell me, guys. I would love to know. For you today. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Hope you have found it helpful if you have been thinking of buying a speaker. Tell me down in the comment section, would you buy it? And if guys you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, hitting that bell icon so that you can get notifications when I post another video like this one. I will see you in the next one. Peace.